This video for educational purposes only and is not investment advice. Any financial decisions require careful consideration and prior analysis. Hey, I'm Nathan. My team and I built something that truly changed my approach. A tool that became my second screen. It tells me where to pause, what to watch for when thoughts pile up, and time is short. No magic, just a practical tool that delivers. Today I will show you how it fits into my routine. If modern tools interest you and you want a fresh perspective on market, stick around. I think you will find it useful. So, friends, let's start. No special preparations needed, just internet access. Meanwhile, my assistant has already sent the command we'll be working with today. Let's choose it. Alright friends, final preparations are done and my assistant has already sent me the information. Let's see. Okay, the assistant advises going down. Alright, probably noticed that after a confident rise, strong candles started appearing in the opposite direction. It's as if someone began to actively push from above. Then the movement slowed a bit, and a candle seemed to freeze. This often happens before a change of direction. At this moment, the bot decided to join the downside. Everything looks logical. Let's watch. Not a bad start. Let's continue. So, we got another command. Heading down again. In the second situation, the bot notices confident downward movement. One red bar after another, and it's clear the pressure hasn't weakened yet. Below there is a zone where the chart previously slowed, and now everything points to movement headed that way again. Let's watch, friends. Good thing my bot isn't equipped with emotional intelligence and can approach such a serious task with a cool head. Let's see what's next. So, there is a command from the assistant. This time, we're going up, friends. After a sharp drop, an equally strong upward move started. The line on the chart suggests there is more energy on the upside now. This could mean the buyers took the initiative. The bot joins the movement and moves with the trend. Let's watch. Great! The upward movement continues, and my bot caught the moment perfectly. So far so good, let's keep going. By the way, if digging deeper is your thing, welcome to my community. We discussed this approach, how to focus on the core, use AI assistants to analyze without overwhelm, and simplify perception. You will see my live trades, ask questions, and gradually integrate this into your own practice. No pressure. Check the daily feedback from others. Want to see it in action? Link in the description and first pinned comment. Now, let me show you how I use this daily. Next. Well, this one is easy, friends. I almost immediately agree with my assistant. We dive in. You can see the movement is confident, without pauses or reversals. Everything pushes in one direction. Predictable. Alright, no delays. Let's move on. Looking further. Going down, all according to my assistant's indications. You can see the pressure intensifying. The move down is sharp, with wicks above, and as if someone is preventing the price from going higher. My bot notices this, and I'm joining in. Let's continue, friends. Stay focused. We have information that we should continue down. Okay, let's see. As expected, the movement reached an important zone, slightly bounced back, but sellers aren't giving up. Pressure remains and the bot points to a possible continuation. Everything's on track. Well, let's wrap this up. It's exciting, but not for my assistant. We already received the message. Going up. After a strong drop, the chart stalled in a narrow range. Sideways phase, like a pause before a new move. My assistant shows the lower boundary is holding again, and at the moment, I jump in upwards. What can I say? I'm pleased, friends. If I could hug my assistant, I would. We've seen how a calm, methodical approach works, where you don't drown in guesses but move step by step with real-time support. That's exactly what my community offers. I don't just post examples. I'm there, highlighting key points, explaining how to approach topics, and answering questions along the way. Because early on, it's not just about the tool, it's about guidance. Wanted to see inside and learn something new? Link in the description and first pinned comment. I'll be waiting. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye.